Like Pop Vlogs. We outside tonight, July 4th. We is drunk. We is lit. We got that shit on. Look at this. Rick Owens. Some thrifted, some shit. Fuck your we drunk, we lit. We outside. We got Mr. Pop himself. Yeah, well, he about with the Lokes on. I know what it is. He got the. Oh, what is those? Hold on. What is the? Marnie. He got that shit on. We with my man Miguel. He getting high as shit. We with my man Nick. High and drunk as shit, bro. We lit. It's July 5th.
We at the beach right now. I don't know what y'all doing, but y'all better get outside.
If y'all ain't outside tonight,
I don't know.
What the fuck is you doing?
Bro? Like on some real shit. We really outside.
We lit tonight. We outside.
We
outside. We in that shit. We in that shit. Outside at the meet, bro. Hey. 12 ain't touching shit.
They not touching shit.
Cause guess what? We got the. We posted outside tonight.
We posted outside, nigga, all night tonight. You know what I'm saying? We lit. We outside. The vibes on 10. Nah, sight, nigga, 100. Nigga, we on
100.
We on 1,000.
Degrees is on 500.
Come on, nigga.
We hot like the oven. It's baking like the summer.
It's baking like the summer. You did.
It's baking like the summer.
Hey, no. I'm gonna get back to y'all when you feel me, get to that car meet, you feel me?
Oh, he getting drunk. That's my drink too.
Oh shit. Keep that motherfucker rolling.
I'm about to say we just sitting here now. That was just the intro.
Oh God.
This is when they do cutoffs.
Is this oh shit.
It's good?
Woo, where the fuck going, nigga? Y'all see what it is? Y'all see it? You see what it is? That shit outside.
They outside. This man Miguel just he a kid in the candy shop. That man gone. Huh?
Oh, I was like, what the fuck, Miguel?
That's what I'm saying. He a kid. He lost. Man, he forgot we was even with them. Oh, Pop's that? No, bro, don't do that. No. I'm about to give you some great shots in this pitch. I hope you know. You know I get that good footage.
Hey, watch out, bro. They is popping fireworks.
Oh, I know. Whoa, baby! Come on, Miguel! Come on! I got the beanbag on. Already? 12 years. Damn. I got fire in my eye, bro. Hey, let's go to the top. Let's go to the top. Nah. Damn, bro, they scared me, bro. What's up?
I'm over there.
Damn! Lock his ass up. You going to jail. You going to...
Hey, now 12 coming. Shout out to Vivo.
You got that shit on camera?
Hey, they had.
Shit, come on, we going back to Maine, bro.
Oh, God, let me. Ready for that act, nigga? Yeah. Nigga, ready for that act. Man, damn, man. This shit dead as fuck, bro. Nah, this shit got at least 20 bands, bro. To get me fat. This where what the fuck they be going on? It's a house. Oh!
Yeah, it's a house. Psych.
I got it.
Marriott. Okay, they got the Marriott and they got the Hilton.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, no bullshit. Which one you going though? Is you going Marriott or Hilton?
I'm going Marriott.
I'm going Hilton. You can't really miss with the Hilton. Like
I gotta go
that's what I'm
Marriott.
saying, bro.
You can't miss with Hilton, bro. But like, I'm going Marriott.
Like if I had to choose, they got the passes with. You know what I'm saying? I was like,
They do got the passes,
they
right?
didn't really know, bro. Hilton guarantee you every time. Lux. Not Lux, but you feel me? Yeah, I fuck with the Marriott though for sure.
Fuck with the Marriott.
It's just more top. Yeah, it's just like the Hilton, like yeah, like that's the Hilton. You know what I mean? Like Paris Hilton type shit.
Tight shit.
Like she rich as fuck, so Paris Hilton. Like
That's what I'm saying. The Marriott, what you calling though?
The Marriott is on the level. The Marriott second, right behind. No cap, right behind.
Right behind it.